everybody, I'm Will from Inside the Garage. Today we're doing an AC service, which includes a drain, a refill, and a vacuum to make sure there's no moisture in your system. So we're gonna start, we got the machine plugged in. And you got two fittings, high side and your low side. We're gonna take off the caps. Make sure you don't lose these. And these are just standard quick connect. Just pull up, push down. Then you want to tighten them up all the way. Make sure it creates a good seal. Don't want any of that Freon leaking out of there.
It's not leaking, it's overflowing.
And then we got the machine here. Turn it on, wait a second, takes a long time. So when we do an AC system, we're filling the system with Freon. And what Freon is
Freon is a registered trademark for a family of chlorofluorocarbon, CFC, and hydrofluorocarbon, HFC, compounds used as refrigerants and propellants. While often used as a generic term for refrigerants, Freon specifically refers to certain refrigerants manufactured by the Chemours company, like R12, R22, and R410A.
Yeah, that. So under the hood, you'll be able to find everything you need to know how much Freon to put in there and what type it is. So there's two types we usually use. There's up here we got a sticker that says this is the new stuff, we call it, but it's 1234YF, and there's also the 134 that we use as well for some of the older vehicles. Usually there's a sticker on here that tells you how much to put in it. This one doesn't have that, it just says what type. So that's where we head over to ProDemand. And we put in the year, 19, and then we got a Honda today and Civic with the 2-liter, I believe, and it's Sport. We got the coupe version, automatic, use this vehicle. Then search up right here. Sometimes it says it, sometimes it doesn't. Air conditioning, refrigerants, and then if we go to specifications, it'll tell us the type, and capacity is 375 to 425 grams or 15 ounces. So now that we know that, machine is ready to go. We need to fill it a little bit. So we were just filling the machine from the tank. The tank is on the back here. It's got two knobs on the side you have to open. And then it goes from the tank into the machine, so then we can put it into the car.
A few moments later.
All right, so we got more refrigerant in here now, and we're gonna start by, you either hit the automatic button, which just does it all in order for you, and these are the steps. So it recovers it, so it sucks everything out, and you vacuum out all the moisture, and then you charge everything back in, fill it up, make sure it's nice and cold. So for this, we're just gonna hit the automatic function. We don't have to put the VIN in, so we'll just skip over that. And we're gonna do a high pressure charge, and then we want to put in, what did it say here? 425 grams, so that's all set up. We're gonna press OK. And it's not gonna let us do that because there's not enough refrigerant in there. So now we gotta do it manually, so we're gonna recover it first. Don't need the VIN again. Now it's just doing a pressure check, make sure everything's good. Recovery, okay. So, we tried the recover function. There wasn't enough pressure in the system. So we're gonna skip over to the vacuum function and go through all this. and we're gonna do a time vacuum. We're gonna set it for 10 minutes, press OK. That's all you gotta do. Let it run for 10 minutes, come back, grab a bite to eat, whatever you wanna do, and let the machine run, do its thing, and we'll come back in a bit.
A few minutes later.
All right, so our vacuum's finished, all that moisture is out of the system. Now we can go ahead and charge. We're gonna go through the VIN number, we don't need that in there. We're gonna do a high pressure charge, and we are putting in 425 grams, not kilograms. And okay. Now we gotta wait again. And now we are starting the charge, hopefully. Now it's doing a leak test. Make sure there's no leaks. And finally, now we're charging. This stuff doesn't actually take too long. Hopefully, we'll see. Oh yeah, nice and quick. Okay, pressure, no, we don't need to do that. So now we are going to disconnect the high pressure hose. And now we're gonna put it on the max AC. Just follow what the machine says. Start the car. Keys aren't in here. Nice. Okay, start the car. And wait for Austin's cool startup animation. Unfortunately, you can't get that on the Kia. I don't think. Nope. There's probably a way, but. Okay, so we're on high. We want it on the down low setting, and we want AC on. Then we're gonna hop back out. So just gonna equalize the hoses. Just make sure it's equal pressure on each side. It shouldn't take too long. And now it's asking us to disconnect the low side now. Almost done. And press OK. That's just vacuuming all of the extra Freon out of the hoses back into the machine. While that's going on, I'm gonna attempt to wrap this up. And while that's doing its thing, we can throw our caps that we didn't lose back on. So creates a good enough seal that nothing should leak out. And close the hood. Now we're ready for the summer. That hot weather, it'll be nice and cold driving down the road.